I'm Mystabella, and if you don't know how to do my look, then just keep watching. Hi, welcome to KittiesMama. I'm Emma, and today I'm going to be doing a Mystabella Shoppie's makeup tutorial. If you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell to be notified when we upload more videos. And before we get started, I'd like to thank Moose for sponsoring this video and for sending us all these toys from Shoppie Season 9. So today, I'm going to be recreating Mystabella's makeup on my own face. This is Mystabella. She is a new Shoppie from the Unicorn Tribe in the new Wild Style series. Mystabella comes with 2 Shopkins, Cornelia Ice Cream and Mystic Wishes. So this is the look I'm going to be doing. I will show you guys more stuff from the Unicorn Tribe once I'm done with the tutorial, so stay tuned. So let's get started. So my mom has made my costume for me with a petticoat, lots of rainbow tulle, a cami, cloud stuff. I already have my foundation on. I'm going to start with my eyebrows, and I'm going to be face painting them white because Mystabella has white eyebrows. I'm going to be putting a glitter eyeliner over the top of my eyebrows. So now I'm going to move on to eyeshadow, and she has a pastel yellow, and the first thing I'm going to do is prime my lid. This bright yellow here, and it might look bright here, but it will fade out once it's on my eyelids. Next is eyeliner. She has dark, thick black eyeliner, so I'm going to see if I can recreate that without messing up. Mascara. So now I'm going to add some touches of glitter around my eyes here and there. So now I'm going to do some blush. She has very rosy cheeks, so I'm going to try and recreate that. Next, I'm going to be doing highlight, and I'm going to be using a Fenty Beauty highlight stick. And this is confetti. It's like a holographic type of highlight, and I think it fit this character very well. Put on 2 different glosses, this pink one and this glittery one. So this completes the look. I'm very glittery and shimmery, and now all that I need is the wig. And I'll be right back with my wig and crown. So this completes the Mystabella look. I have a wig complete with her little buns and her beautiful, beautiful crown that my dad made, and a costume. So, next are the new Shopkins items. A new thing that Shopkins is introducing in Season 9 is Shoppettes. And these are little paw-tastic pals for your Shoppies. This is Mystabella's pet. She is a unicorn named Rainbow Sparkle. A really cool thing about the Shoppettes is that they are flocked, meaning that they are soft and fluffy. She comes with her Shopkin friend, Twilight Cloud. Next up, we have a special edition Unicorn Dust 12-pack. These are a bunch of Shopkins dusted with a little bit of unicorn dust, and it also has an exclusive Twinkle Cupcake. Another cool part about Season 9 in the Unicorn Tribe is the apparel clothing line that has a whole ton of Unicorn Tribe themed clothes, like this hoodie. My favorite part is the hood because it is a unicorn, complete with this little crown, a holographic horn, and a mane. Next up is a gray Mystabella shirt. It has Mystabella on it, and at the bottom, it has these cute ties. Next up is this really cute skirt. The design on it is a whole bunch of different Unicorn Tribe Shopkins, and it's soft and it seems like it'd be very comfy. Next up we have a Shopkins dress. This is a purple gradient cold shoulder dress, and it has a couple of Shopkins on the front saying "Believe in yourself." All of the Unicorn Tribe apparel is exclusively at Target, and there are some really cute items like a hat and a tote bag, and we will link those down below. So I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I had a lot of fun doing it because Mystabella is a very cute and sparkly character. I really love her design. Thank you for watching. Please comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, post on Twitter, and see you later, alligator. Click these rectangles to watch more videos and click this circle to subscribe.